The next palette type we want to look at are focus palettes. I'm going to clear, sneak, enter, get rid of my color changing values. And for this example, I'm going to bring up group 5, full enter. Those are my front of house movers. And the first thing I'm going to do is tilt them all up on stage so they're roughly pointed the same direction. And if I hit my next key now, again, I'll have the whole group selected, but I'll only be talking to channel 101. So I'm going to go ahead and focus this light on the guitar player. Next will take me to 102. Next will take me to 103. And once I have all 5 of my lights on the location that I want, I can say, select last, record, focus palette 1, label, guitar, enter. So again, let's look at this. I'm going to say clear, sneak, enter, home all those guys back. And now if I say 103 at full, focus palette 1, enter, they'll go right to where they were stored. You'll also notice in the live screen that in our pan and tilt values, it shows me the label of my focus palette, which is guitar. If I want to see the actual palette number, I can say about and label, and that's going to show me behind that label, which shows that this is focus palette 1. Letting go of about will restore it. If I want to maintain that, I can say about, label, label, and you'll notice at the top of the live screen, it will tell me that those reference labels are latched. In order to disable that, I can just hit about again and they'll go back to normal. In your workbook, there are a few focus palette exercises. Why don't you finish those up and come on back? So now that I have all my focus palettes, let's look at a quick fun example. I'm gonna say group 5, full, and I'm gonna say focus palette 1 through 5, enter, and now the first one's going to go to focus palette 1, second is going to go to focus palette 2, etc. Another fun thing I can do is fan the lights between 2 focus palettes. So I'm going to say group 5, focus palette 3 and 4, enter, and now I'm going to get a straight line between those 2 points.